Hello. Some of you have had a problem with trying to create a class. I'm just going to show you using the basic knowledge of computer networking. So, from the user center, you're at the user center, go to class management, the class management area, create class. Yes. Now, there's this option, select course. From here, there are three options underneath this. They select by professional course catalog, select by job course catalog, and select by technical direction. I personally like the third one, select by technical direction. Now the course language, okay, basically we'd have it in English. The technology direction, I want to go with Datacom. Then the course classification, there are two, there are college courses and then there is certification courses. I would want to concentrate on that. I would stick with college courses. And from here, I want to select this. This is now the option that has come, general knowledge of computer networks. I select it. This is the prerequisite before a student has to do HCIA Datacom. If you look, the general course on is the pre-course of the HCIA Datacom course. Yes, that is it. So allow me to just go back here. Now I have selected it. Then above here, go to next. Gives a small class introduction, the description. Then the class cover image, the size 816 by 460 pixels, and the size should not exceed 300 KB. I'm going to select, I think I had downloaded one. Okay, I'm going to use that. Okay, then the class name, I can call it Introduction to Networking. Okay, then maybe in bracket, I can have January class, or the December January class, deck Jan class. So I can add 2026, close the bracket. Then the class start date, actually we're going to start today and let it end at least by the 15th of January. The instructor, leave it as is. Then I can have a limit of 50 students. Does the student require approval? Of course, yes. Does the student require approval to an associate? Yes. The class location, I'm going to have it online. That is it. Go to the next part. Next. The total score, 100. Passing score, can have it at 70. Since this is the first one, can slightly be lenient. Learning status, out of 100, you can have, let that contribute to 20% of the score and the final exam to contribute to 8. Trying to be fair to them so that at least they concentrate on studying. After that, we release. Okay, class released successfully. The class invitation code has been generated. I'm going to copy this somewhere, but the similar code has been sent to my email, so I think we're okay. Now let's have the instructions. Now for the students, let them search for the class at least 5 minutes after the class has been released. And then they can use class invitation code. This is just a suggestion if applicable. On the class details, you're going to enter the class invitation code. That is one way where they can do that. The other option is we add the students physically. So currently This is the class. It's now successful. It's uploaded. It's released. That is the right term. Let me use the correct term. Teaching preparations. That is it. Uses Huawei standard materials. Any bulletin would be added here, and it's an online course. It's found here. Now, just an addition. This approved student part will be inactive. The only time it will be active is when a student tries to join and is awaiting approval. So this is where you will come, approve the student, and that student is now enrolled into that particular class. Thank you. Yeah, so this is a basic example of students who've been able to use the code and they've been invited. So we have to, I'm just going to select all of them and then I approve. And that's it. That's just as simple as that. Thank you.